Good day from the office of the Mob Justice Football. If there is someone that deserves the flower, someone who become a blessing immediately when they step into the soil of South Africa, it's none other than Hugo Broos. Hugo, we just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for all the happiness that you continue to dish each and every time we have a national team that is very fierce in competition, a national team that is ready to compete at any given moment. It's not a secret, we know where we come from. More especially us whom love the sports of football, we know the comparison that we have received as compared to other codes. Hugo, we just wanted to say thank you for protecting that which we love, for believing and making sure that it's rightly portrayed so that supporters can be able to enjoy a national team. It's been long, more especially for us that we've been told Clive Barker used to do this, Dr. Khumalo used to do this. But now we have a generation that is showing us exactly what is it to be proudly South African. Against all odds, against all criticism, you have mastered each and every element and the aspect. You are a God-given, taking us to 18 unbeaten run across the whole world, equally with Spain. So we can go and become unbeaten run for a very long time. If Senegal, one mistake, then we are on top of them. We just wanted to say thank you, Hugo. Thank you for respecting the inter-competition that Mamelodi Sundowns, Chiefs, and Orlando Pirates have been participating on. Stelis, Sekhukhune, thank you so much, Coach. We appreciate you. What I know is that you are a man of your word, and sometimes you are not dictated by the pressure of the pressure is saying what. We saw you believing on Zakhele Pasa. We saw you believing on Evidence Makgopa. We saw you Olebo Mtiba. We saw you. You've done exceptional well. And whether the national team that you're going to choose next time is coming from which other team and all, you have killed the issue of club. What do they call this one? It's clubism, where I have to support a national team because a certain player of mine is there. On the players, they are all united in the camp. All credit to you. Credit to the senior players like Ronza Williams has been there for quite some times. Your likes of Khudiso Mudau, your likes of Tebogo Mokoena, they've been there for quite some times, but we just wanted to say we appreciate you. We thank you as South African. As guided by the preamble of the Constitution, saying that we will defend and protect those who have fight for the freedom of our country. You've done exceptional work through sports. You have addressed a lot of challenges. As different races, we have united because of you. Hugo, the recent soldier that you've seen in Eastern Cape, in Bloem, in Limpopo, I guess even tomorrow, if they can say there's a game at Gauteng, they're going to feel it because you have given us hope. More particularly when you're in an institution that doesn't show that much of support, late payments, a lot of contradicting issue. It's just the nature of our country at some point. You can't get it all. But thank you for everything that you continue to do with the boys. When you come here, you never wanted to bring your own technical team. You observe Hellman and work with him. I respect a coach that comes and work in an environment that is already being set. Still, you bring results. Now you are 13 point on a group where Nigeria is there, on a group where Rwanda is there, on a group where Benin is there. Previously, before we play Mozambique, we play Lesotho. We used to be very scared, but we just wanted to say, we appreciate you, Hugo. You are a national asset. We thank you for everything that you have done for South Africa. The happiness is just a lot. You won in Limpopo. You won in Steady Abidjan. What else do we want from you? World Cup, it's visible. We are going there. We just wanted to say thank you, Hugo Bros.